want to keep in mind that the dollar, we have a buy signal on the dollar, and we on the weekly here on the euro we have a failure set up in the euro dollar. So I want to be very cautious before I initiate any euro buys, Alberto. So in this case I will be buy it. I will only in this case buy if it's, since it closed at 134.40 and my structure point is 80 so I'm going to buy it above the 80. So because now it is a much clearer picture for us, so my buy point for the euro dollar is above 130.80. That's my buying point. And let's see if I look at the intraday chart. Which is pretty much right there, which actually is brilliant. And it's obvious that this is moving up, so I'm going to short it only below 129.55. That is, you see the structure, this is the structure, so I'm going to short it below 129.55. Alright, and if I go long above 130.80, then this is also my structure long 130.80, and it is also my long stop. Okay, and if I go short below the 129.55, these two, I got two momentum highs over here. This is one, this is the other, so that is pretty solid. So I'm going to take the high, which is 130.36, so that's going to be my short stop. My short stop, see, my long stop is 130.80 and my short stop is 130. That makes sense. 0.36. And my structure short is the 129.10. I'm sorry. Okay. Alright, so this is the euro dollar, guys. We're going to go long. The long point is 130.80. It is also my structure point, and it is also my long stop. The short point is 129.55, and if I go short below 129.35, my stop is above 130.36, and my structural short is the 129. Sorry, this is wrong. Let me double check the structure short. Sometimes I transpose numbers when I get tired, so it's the 128.65. I stand corrected. The structure point is 128. Structure short is 128.65. Okay, so so the euro dollar, where the long point and the structure long and the long stop is 130.80. The short point is 129.55. My structure short is 128.65, which is 100 pips below it. And if I go short at 129.55, my stop is above 130.36. Alright, guys, that is the euro dollar.